straight back to that spot.
Oh, so it's not recording now?
It's
Oh,
just
it is.
recording. But it's going to stop where it was launched.
You sure?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait here. You're going
Gonna trace me the whole
to,
time.
yeah. You're going to, don't worry about, don't walk toward it. Walk where you want to walk in it where it's walk. And then that pocket is holding on the phone.
What should I say?
Anything you want.
I don't have much to say.
Yeah, you could say what you're doing. I'm walking with the DJI NEO.
Well,
this and that.
I'm walking with the tiny drone that also tracks me with Papa. It's pretty cool though. It only goes with me, not the phone, right?
It's locked on you. Wherever you go.
This is where I want to try to see if I could run from it. Like,
Well, we're gonna do that third. So this
Yeah.
is first.
What
Now,
second?
Let's hit the stop button. Now start walking this way with it.
This
It's
is
gonna
gonna-
follow you. So it's gonna be behind you.
Oh yeah, and I can see myself. It's pretty, fast on the phone at least. I bet it's a bit better on the camera actually.
Well, when I first bought this, before
What
they
if I
did
get to you?
it's still gonna stay on you. So you
Yeah.
keep walking. It's on you.
towards it? It just stays there.
Okay, we'll show you something else. Now, put your hand underneath it. Just walk up and put your hand underneath it. And now anytime you want, start running.
This is gonna look bad on YouTube one. It's gonna look like I'm going super slow. Wow.
I'll put it up as a private.
It'll follow me?
Well, we're gonna find out, aren't we?
Oh.
Hey, this worked pretty well. The drone is locked on Gavin, and no matter how fast he ran, come on, run back. And here he comes. Okay, so it's locked on. Hopefully it's locked on you.
It's gonna go up.
It's locked on me.
Well, that's alright.
So you see how I'm walking around and I'm talking,
Yeah.
and it's following me around.
Can it take if I put my hand out right now?
Probably going to want me to put my hand clockwise or counterclockwise. This one's going to go clockwise. See?
This is like that one effect you have on your phone.
Yeah. It's going to go back and stop right where it started. Knows right where to stop. So we'll start. And let's go up.
Who is it locked on to?
It's manual. It's not locked onto anything this time. I'm controlling it. Okay, that's high enough, but I got to figure out how to take, still some things I got to learn how to do, like how to manually control the camera. This is automatically control the camera because it's on one of those automatic things. This is only about 15 to, so we're at 6 minutes left and 46% of battery.
Oh yeah, so it is kind of short.
Oh yeah, so that's why you can buy extra batteries. You can buy a little block that has 3 batteries. This is called droning.
It's gonna go more up?
Yeah, and I can make it go a lot further. There's 3 different settings. I think I'm on like the medium setting. And now it's going to pause for a bit, stop itself.